Good morning, student. Myself S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Dan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to study the geometric construction in math second. Now today we are going to study the construction of two similar triangle. See the example: triangle PQR, similar triangle PMN. In triangle PQR, PQ equal to 4 cm, QR equal to 5 cm and PR equal to 6 cm. Construct triangle PQR and triangle PMN such that the ratio of the sides of triangles PR divided by PN equal to 5/3. Now firstly draw the analytical figure. Now in this figure we draw the side of the triangle PQR and PMN. The measurement of this side is not the given length, that is not actual length. Draw the sides PQ, PR in this way and QR. In triangle PQR and PMN, the vertex P is the common for both the triangle. Then draw the MN which is parallel to the side QR. Now for drawing the fair diagram, firstly draw the PR. Length of side PR is 6 cm. Draw it by using the scale 6 cm. Then take a distance between two terminals of the compass is 4 cm, means that is the PQ. Put the one terminal at point P and draw the arc. Then take a distance between two terminals is 5 cm, that is the length of QR. Put the one terminal at point R and draw the arc. Now the previous arc and this arc intersect in one point, that point is Q. Then join this Q with P and R. Then we get the triangle PQR. Now for the division of this segment PR in the ratio 5:3, for that we draw the angle at point P. This angle measure is, we can take 30, 40, 50 degree. In this figure we are going to take a 40 degree. Then draw the ray which is started from the point P. Now take a distance between two terminals of the compass, some distance, and draw the 5 arc on this ray. This one arc is P1, then P2, then P3, then P4 and lastly P5. Now this P5 arc, this point P5 point join with this R point. Now we get here one of the angle, that angle is P5R. Now draw this angle at the point P3, same angle at the point P3. For that take a distance between two terminals of the compass and draw the arc. This arc intersect the two sides of this angle. Then put this distance as it is. Put the one terminal at point P3 and draw the arc. This arc intersect this side and extend it. Then take a distance between two intersecting point of this arc. Take a distance between these two terminal is the intersecting point of the arc to the side and draw the arc. Then keep this distance as it is and draw the arc. Now this arc intersect to the previous arc in this point. Then draw the segment which passes through the intersecting point and started from P3 and it intersect the PR. Now that point is N, means we say that the segment P3N. Now we get here point N. Then again draw the angle at this point N, which is same as the point R. Means we draw this angle with this congruent angle, that is the PRQ, the same angle at point N. For that we take some distance between the terminal of the compass and draw the arc. This arc intersect the two sides of this angle. Then keep this distance as it is and draw the arc. That arc intersect PN and extend it in this way. Then take a distance between two intersecting point. Take a distance between two terminals of the compass which is intersect the arc two sides of the angle R, and put this distance as it is and draw the arc. This arc intersect the previous arc in this way. Now this intersecting point, from this intersecting point draw the segment which started from the N. This segment intersect the side PQ at point M. Then we get here point M, means we draw the triangle PMN. In this way we complete the construction. Good day, goodbye, okay.